This tutorial review will show you how to make Discord welcome channel with mee6 bot. So first of all, we need to add the mee6 bot to our server. So open your browser and type here mee6.xyz, and this is the official website for mee6 bot. Once you are in this website, make sure to log into your Discord account here, then click on add to Discord and select the server where you want to create a welcome message. Click on continue, authorize, ensure that you are not a robot. Cross this window, and once you update the mee6 bot to your server, you will jump into this dashboard. Here, click on welcome and goodbye. Click on activate welcome and goodbye plugin, and you will get this option here, send a message when a user joins the server. So you have to enable this option from here. And now go to your Discord and open the server, and we need to create a welcome channel. So click on this create channel option, select text channel, and I'm going to giving the name here welcome and create channel. Make sure to reload the page. Now click on selected channel and select the welcome channel. And now you can write the welcome message here. You can also send a welcome card when a user joins your server by enabling this option. And then all you have to need, just click on save, and then whenever a new members join to your server, they will get a welcome message automatically through the mee6 bot. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.